Welcome to Otisa Mathematics. In this video, we are given f of x to be px plus q, where p and q are real numbers such that the composite function is equal to 227x minus 52. We have to find p and q. So let's see how we are going to do this. So first, we have been given f of x, which is px plus q. And then the composite function FO. So now FO of s is the same as f of x. So what it means is that you put the function f in itself, and then you put this one, the result that you get, you put it in the same function. So let's start with f of x, which is equal to f of px plus q. So let's go back to the function f. So the function f, we are going to put this one there. So wherever we see x, we put px plus q. Then we have p to bracket px plus q plus another q. Yes. So that we have p times p x, p squared x plus pq plus q. So next, we want to find f of x. This is the same as we have found this. So f of as p squared x plus pq plus q. P squared x plus pq plus q. So we are going back to f and then put this one there. So let's see f px plus q. So we have p. So the x, we replace it by this whole expression. P squared x plus pq plus q plus another q. So which is p cube x plus p squared q plus pq and plus q. Now we are saying that this implies that p cube x plus p squared q plus pq plus q is equal to 27x minus 50. So we are going to compare the coefficients on both sides. So we have a term in x on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have a term in x. So this becomes the constant, this is the constant. So therefore, comparing both sides, p cube will be equal to 27, and then this whole expression will be equal to minus 52. So p cube is equal to 27, and by indices we can also express 27 in terms of indices. So p cube is equal to 3 to the power 3. Now by indices, if the powers are the same, then you equate the base, and if the bases are the same, you equate the powers. So the powers are the same, so therefore p is equal to 3. Or we can say that p cube is equal to 27, and p will be the cube root of 27. So p is 3. We then compare. That means we have pq, p squared q plus pq plus q is equal to minus 52. But we know p to be 3. So this implies that 3 squared q plus 3 times q plus q is equal to minus 52. So we have 9q plus 3q plus q is equal to minus 52. And when we add this, we have 13q equal to minus 52. So we divide both sides by 13, therefore q is minus 4. So hence p therefore is equal to 3, and then q is equal to minus 4. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, be alerted. Bye.